Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everybody, checking back in on oil. Congrats to the bears. So you've been looking at 5211 tattooed on your forehead all week, thinking you made a really bad decision, but then we broke 5211 and you knew to go bearish. So we saw a big drop after that. We knew we were very oversold on the hourly time frame. The RSI got down under 20, so we anticipated a short-term oversold bounce after hours. That's what we got. A little bear flag channel, support and resistance parallel. Bear break on increasing bear volume. And then another bounce attempt led to inside candlesticks, a bear break of the inside candlestick, and we're down at the lows that we've seen. So the bears are in absolute full control. Another scenario where we are oversold on the hourly with the RSI in the low 20s, so we will look for another short-term bounce, ideally before continuation for these bears. Now we're watching this resistance level, the high of this bounce attempt, 51.61. That's a key level because if it breaks, we break this lower high pattern and the bull shows some strength. So putting a line there to remember the high of that bounce attempt. And in terms of support, we need to zoom out to previous price history. So I zoom out and say, when was the last time we were in this price range? And it's back in mid-December. So I zoom in, don't get seasick. And we've got 50.48 here. That's the low of this pullback. So there's a support. Put that line there. And the holy grail that the bears would love to break is 49.93 and lose $50 psychological support. That would give big time gains to the downside. We've already seen nice gains to the downside, over 2% from that signal. Checking the 4-hour chart, let's see what our RSI is at here. Oversold on the 4-hour as well. Nice bear flag on the 4-hour. So again, short-term bounce anticipated. As long as we keep setting lower highs and lower lows, the bears are in control. And we do have the inventory report coming out on tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. So personally, I'd be locking in these gains before that inventory report. I don't like leaving things up to chance and coin flips as to what the fundamentals are going to say. So I would be locking in profit before that occurs, checking out the daily time frame, seeing where our next support here is. It's that $50 psychological level, and that's down 49.64 would come after that. So the bears are clearly in full control. Closed at the low of the day yesterday, closed at the low of the day currently, and we'll see how much downside we get, and we'll see what the reaction to that inventory report is. We have all kinds of support and resistance levels to be watching in the near term, and that's that. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how it all plays out. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.